In this video, I will show you how to fix the application error message. So if you are getting an error message when you're trying to start an application, which looks something like this with this error code, then follow along with me for some fixes to resolve this problem. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually right click onto the app that you're trying to run. And what you want to do is come down to properties, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now from this window, if you look at the top, you've got some different tabs, and what you're going to want to do is click onto compatibility and tick the box to run this program as an administrator. Once that's done, press apply and OK, and try to launch the program again to see if that resolves your problem. So if that didn't work for you, the next thing you're going to want to do is basically open up a new internet browser, and there's a couple of things you want to download from the official Microsoft website. So you want to make sure you've got DirectX, so you can come across to the official Microsoft website, you can Google DirectX and you'll be able to download this from this page here. And also you want to make sure you've got Microsoft Official C++. So make sure you install those two programs. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded those two files, what you're going to want to do is restart your PC. Now once you've gone ahead and restarted your PC, go ahead and launch the application that you was having problems with, and you should now be able to launch that application without the error message appearing. So that's how to go ahead and fix that application error message. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.